Hi and welcome to ICO Investor. This video is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only, so please do your own research. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe to watch more of such videos. Alright, so this is the website of Trezor. You can access it by going to trezor.io. As per the website, it is one of the safest place to store your cryptocurrency. So normally when you store your cryptocurrency on exchanges and wallets, there is a potential that your wallet can disappear. It can go offline or it can even be hacked. And if that happens, you lose all your money, you lose all your cryptocurrencies in a nutshell. And that's when Trezor comes into the play. So Trezor is a hardware wallet where you can safely store, manage and secure your cryptocurrencies. Hardware wallet has only one purpose, and that is to generate and isolate the keys to your cryptocurrency in a way that nobody else can interpret or observe them. They have various features such as security, privacy and usability that makes it easier to use Bitcoin and other networks without relying on the third parties. So unlike an online wallet where you trust a third party like a wallet or exchange with your private keys, and your private keys are left vulnerable on the computer. So that's when a hardware wallet comes in and it stores your private keys completely offline. Offline storage basically means that a hardware wallet can't be infected by a virus or hacked over an internet connection. A Trezor hardware wallet is immune to remote attacks. So if you use a strong passphrase, basically your device will be protected from any sort of hacks or vulnerability. You might have heard of this concept which says not your keys, not your coins. That basically means that if you keep your crypto in an online wallet or an exchange or any other wallet out there, it also requires your private keys to be held on a third-party server. And after that, you can assume that those keys might be compromised and your cryptos are potentially at risk. But however, when you use a hardware wallet like Trezor, you have the control over your keys, meaning you have the control over the safety and security of your cryptocurrencies. Currently on Trezor, you can store 1,000+ coins. So when you come to the list over here, you're going to see all the cryptocurrencies that you can store in the wallet and safely manage and trade them. It offers transparent security. It is audited by security researchers, verified by the track record. They have 5-star customer supports. That's very good. So if you need any help with activating your account or anything like that, you can always reach out to them. It has a very intuitive and convenient interface, meaning it is designed for your confidence and ease of mind. This is a general overview of what your dashboard would look like once you get your Trezor keys. So your entire wallet is always accessible via your personal 12 to 24 word long recovery speed. So that's good. And when you first set up your Trezor, it will generate the seed for you. When you need to restore access to your wallet, use this offline backup. The recovery seed follows a standard created by us at Satoshi Labs, but it is widely used and compatible with many wallet apps. It is trusted by companies of all sizes, so Forbes, Coindex, CNN, Bitwala, Bitstamp. So that's really good. It just shows the credibility of this wallet. It has also been loved by communities. Over here you can see all the reviews posted by so many people who really love this wallet, and it just made keeping your cryptocurrencies a lot more safer than it normally would if you would have kept them in a wallet. And over here we have all the reviews posted by different people who absolutely loved using this wallet and they highly recommend it. So that's really good. Currently they have 2 models. So the first one is Trezor 1 and then the second one is Trezor Model T. This is the gold standard and that's the premium choice. The coins and tokens that they support are 1,000+, and all Trezor 1+ coins will be supported over here. The display this one has is monochromatic and has 2 buttons. Trezor Model T has full color touchscreen display. Both of them are beginner friendly. So in terms of security protection, PIN entry, passphrase entry, and device recovery can be done securely via computer or mobile on the Trezor 1 model. However, that can be done simply on your Trezor on the Trezor Model T. The extra features these devices offer is the Bitcoin only firmware, Shamir backup is only offered by Trezor Model T, password manager, encrypted storage on cloud for Trezor 1, encrypted storage on cloud for Trezor Model T, UDF authentication applies to both of them, FIDO2 authentication just applies to Trezor Model T, encryption via GPG applies to both of them, SSH applies to both of them, micro SD card feature is available just in Trezor Model T as well. Premium support applies to both of them. It is designed and built in Europe, both of them. It has an intuitive and calming interface that is really good, so it just makes the device very easy to use, especially for newcomers. You can manage your entire digital identity, coins, keys and passwords all in one device, owned and controlled by you. They have advanced features for expert users. It is compatible with many applications and ready for power users as well. Now let's say if you are interested in getting your Trezor wallet, all you have to do is click over here and then select the wallet of your choice. So let's say we want to get Trezor 1, so I'm going to click over here. So next you're going to come to this page. Currently they have two color options available, so we have white and black. I'm going to go for black, and then it costs 59 euros. And when you scroll to the bottom, you can see all the description about the Trezor Model 1 if you just want to have more information about the technical aspects. In the box, you'll have the Trezor Model 1, micro USB cable, 2x recovery speed card, Trezor stickers. All of these would be included in your package. If everything looks good, click add to cart. Over here, you're going to see the shipping charge based on your country. So I am based in Canada, and that's why my shipping time is 2 to 7 business days. The shipping price is 19 euros. This would actually depend on where you're located. If everything looks good, click continue. I'm gonna confirm my country. If you need any other accessories to go with your wallet, you can also browse around, take a look over here if you like anything. If everything's okay, just click continue. And next on this page, enter your email address, first name, last name, phone number, your city, zip code, all of that information, and select your choice of payment and process it. And that's pretty much it. Within 2 to 7 business days, you will receive your Trezor wallet. It again depends on where you're located. And once you have your wallet, you're all set and good to go. So overall, I would say hardware wallets are definitely a must-have, especially in today's world, if you want to have that extra security for your cryptocurrencies. So if you're looking for a hardware wallet that combines every advantage available and blows its competition out of the water with security, convenience and functionality, then a Trezor hardware wallet is definitely worth checking out. I'm gonna post links in the description box below, so feel free to take a look. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.